Okay, so about 45 minutes and I got it to look like that. Not perfect, but you know what? It looks a lot better than that other. Let's see if I can get it on one-handed. I'm just tired from waxing it all day yesterday. I'm not into this, but let's see. There. How's that look? I hate it when I put my fingers over that. It looks good. I'll just clean the rubber up on it. Yeah, that's a lot easier than painting it, I think. Before. After. I think it looks good. Yeah. Yeah, so it takes about, I got it down about a half hour. I got some lacquer thinner in a jar. Have some of these like paper towel type things, and then just slowly just soften the clear coat, and after it's all off, you can see it's like tacking up here and stuff. After you get it all off, you'll be able to tell when you get it all off. Then I put it on that buffing wheel, and then it turns to chrome, which is fine with me. Cool. All right, so I got all four done. A lot of interruptions, but managed to get them on there. I'm glad I figured out how to do that. Looks a lot better than those dull, faded clear coat. Now tomorrow, I'm gonna protect this before this peels off even more. I'm just gonna sand this corner down and prime it. It's got some, the guy, Glenn, the last owner, went to the dealer and bought a paintbrush, a little bottle with the paintbrush. I don't even know why they sell that, just maybe for a tiny little spot, but the car's looking pretty good. It's kind of weird, man. It kind of looks like a cop car from the back. I don't know. Yeah, it's got the police engine in it, right? 4.6 police interceptor. Yeah, I should get the police interceptor badge, put it right there. Whatever. I want to get the windows tinted though. It gets so hot here, man. Inside that car, it's just gonna cook. So next, yeah, I'm just gonna do that paint. I still got to clean the inside of the windows. Every time I get started on something, I get pulled away, and that's the way it goes. Anyways, one last thing done. I'm pretty good. Within a week, not tomorrow will be a week. I've got a lot accomplished. Engine clean, car waxed, outside detailed. I got some new license plate frames off of Amazon. Check the front out. It was like $10, stainless steel. Got little chrome caps on them. Should probably check my mail. Look at that. Adds a little touch of class. I'm out of here.